Well, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for making time. I want to be respectful of everybody's time. Well, my name is Representative Ryan Gonzalez, House District 50. My district encompasses East Greeley, Garden City, and Evans. And I'm here today to announce a partnership working with Dr. Dhoon, the Colorado Surgical Institute, as well as the Weld County Department of Human Services. I'm very excited about this partnership because we're starting kind of like a referral program to make sure that we have people who need dental access to get the care that they need. We know that healthcare is one of the very top issues here across our community, across the county, and we want to make sure that we work with these private-public partnerships to make sure we get people the care that they need. We know that insurance is a challenge. We know that there's a lot of struggles and barriers, especially when it comes to insurance. And so you will hear today testimonies from the experts and patients themselves about why this program is very important and how people who need this are able to get the care that they need. I cannot stress enough that at a time when we're facing budget cuts here in the state of Colorado, we're facing constraints and shortages across the healthcare industry, this is something that needs to be highlighted, because right now you will hear from Dr. Dhoon about the concerns of trying to get more patients in here. They have more doctors and patients. And so we want to make sure that we get people here in our communities the access of dental care that they need. So you will hear some specifics about how it works. I'll run down. And I'm very proud to establish this partnership to make sure that we get these people, vulnerable communities, low income, to get subsidized or little to no cost dental care. So you will hear about how that works through the experts. And I'm very proud to work with DHS to make sure we establish this partnership so the community knows about it. Because people do not know about it, and this is the problem. We have Dr. Dhoon that I've known for over a decade, almost a decade actually, coming here. You know, he has taken great care of my dental needs. His team has been phenomenal. And I also want to thank the Colorado Surgical Institute for taking time out of the day to make sure that we highlight this. And for the members of the press who are here today, because we need to make sure our community knows about this. Now, I will pass it over to Meredith, who works with the Weld County Department of Human Services, to highlight how the referral program works on their end.
Thank you so much. My name is Meredith Scoglin, and I am the Community Outreach Manager for the Area Agency on Aging with the Department of Human Services. I just want to thank you all for inviting me here today to speak about our referral program to CSI, or the Colorado Surgical Institute. We proudly hand out these referrals to clients that are coming into the doors or making phone calls into our information and assistance line asking for dental care. We were provided with a wonderful flyer that provides easy information on how to connect with this institute and receive the care that they need, especially as you had mentioned when funding is really difficult, and this is a free opportunity for them to get exceptional care, as well as have doctors learn practices on available patients. So thank you so much, and we look forward to continue to hand out referrals. I know one of our voucher coordinators handed out 2 this morning in our lobby, so it will be a great resource for Weld County.
Okay, well, first and foremost, I want to thank Representative Gonzalez. I mean, we have known each other for a long time, and as I add more gray hair to my beard, I'm just happy to see like all the progress and everything you've made over the time we've known each other. And then Meredith for being here as well, absolutely much appreciated. And just a little history on Colorado Surgical and kind of how we became who we are. Initially, we were just doing really good work out of our private practice that was just down the street behind the FAR library next to Cables. And dentists would just come to the office and watch us do work. And we were really honored when that would happen. It just, we wanted to give back to the community, and we started by giving back to the dentists within the communities over here. And then they started to contract us to come and travel to their locations in other places in Colorado, and then it just grew to traveling, all over the nation. And then my wife, tells me the things that I need to hear, not all the things I always want to hear, but she's just a really beautiful soul of a person. And we just talked about, hey, she didn't sign up to have a husband who was going to travel all the time on the weekends and go and do surgeries all over the United States. So what we decided to do was just build the educational facility here. And we built the facility with the mind of like, okay, we've traveled to other countries and helped the patients of that population get surgeries that they needed to do while we were training. Well, why can't we help the people in Greeley? Why can't we help our neighbors and our community get all these really expensive procedures done for next to nothing sometimes? And so we do wisdom teeth, we do implants, we do frenectomies for kids, for adults. We do reconstructive surgical procedures. Really, at the end of the day, any surgical procedure or any advanced procedure within dentistry, there is a hunger for dentists across the nation to learn this so they can bring it back to their communities. And then with a little humility, you know, Dr. Brisky and myself have designed techniques and protocols to do it proficiently and efficiently, and our success rates are high enough where people in the nation just want to learn from us. And so what we'd love to do is just reach out to as many people in the community as possible, let them know that we actually do exist here. We've been here for about 5 years, and now it's time to help as many people as we can. So truly appreciate the opportunity to get the message out and to give back to the people in Weld County and Greeley as well. And also we have Ruben here. Ruben and I have known each other probably just as long as me and Representative Gonzalez. And I'd love to just introduce Ruben and hear some of your story, and just know I appreciate you being here, man. Oh, and then one more thing that Chris wanted me to mention is any patients listening to this message, the number is 970-235-1748. Reach out to us, and we will absolutely get you in and get you taken care of. All right, Ruben.
Thank you. Afternoon, folks. Like Doc said, my name is Ruben Lara. I live here in Evans, and as a testimonial to what goes on here, about 7 years ago, roughly around 7 years ago, I ended up having bad dental work. You know, big anxiety with dentists. Went to a place, I won't mention the name, and they couldn't do what I wanted them to do. Was recommended to come see Dr. Dhoon, and after talking to him for maybe 10 minutes, he put my mind at ease that they could do what I wanted to do, and they would make it a very good experience for me to do this. So I ended up having my upper jaw was all implants, and what it was my son was in basic training, and I wanted to impress him at his graduation. And I just remember that after the consultation and talking to Dr. Dhoon, the one thing he said to me before I was about to leave was that if he couldn't do the dental work, he was going to get me dentures, so I could at least have something when I went to see my son. And we got everything done. Like I said, he really took he made me feel like this was something that I needed to do, and I wasn't nothing to worry about. I've known him since 2019, I want to say, is when I got this done. Coming here is great. These guys, they're all they worry about is making sure that you get what you need to get done when you need to get done, and there's no pressure of you getting it done right away. We'll work with you on your timeline. We'll work with you with your financial situation. We'll get you the work you need within the time that we think you need to get it done. I've had a great experience with these gentlemen, and to me, he is more a friend than he is a dentist. And I appreciate everything he's done for me. He's really made me extremely comfortable to talk to people. Prior to the dental work, I wouldn't engage in much conversations at work, and people noticed pretty much a day or two after having the work done that I was out there just talking to everybody and smiling, and people were like, oh, that definitely changed quite a bit. And I give my hats off to him, because I wouldn't have done this. Not with my anxiety, not with my fear of dentists, I would have never done this. He put my mind at ease, and he made me feel extremely comfortable, and I appreciate that. Thanks, Doc.
That being said, if anybody has any questions, we're happy to take any questions, me, DHS, or Dr. Dhoon, CSI, even our testimonial for Ruben. We want to be respectful of everybody's time, but I just cannot highlight enough the importance of this program for our community in Weld County. Again, Dr. Dhoon has actually told me that they're sending people from Wyoming and Denver to come and fill some of these needs that we have. And when we have our community here in Greeley, in the surrounding areas, in Evans and Firestone and Timmins and Severance, people who need these services, and they just don't know about it. And we have to get the word out. It's very important for our community. You know, no disrespect to Denver, no disrespect to Wyoming, but we have people here in our area, in our community, that need the service. And so working with these people, partnering with these tremendous people, you know, Dr. Dhoon does a phenomenal job, CSI, and you heard it from somebody who's experienced it themselves. I have been coming here just for general dentist services, you know, for the last decade. I can tell you they were willing to talk about a water pick and how to keep, you know, nice, clean smile. And the retainers I just got, again, we need to make sure people know about it. And so this is important, and this highlights when people partner together, what we can do. We have to get the word out. So our call to action, let people in our community know here in Greeley, the surrounding areas, about these services. You know, you can reach out to DHS, myself, or come here to Greeley Dental Care, across the street from Evans. We have to get the word out, and we have to make sure people get the care they need. And we got to get these people, you know, the patients that they need as well. So with that, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And our contacts, we're happy to also take that offline as well.